Hello friends, I'm your host and host Dr. Ashish Chauhan. Love your eyes, says your doctor, a diabetologist, and even every ophthalmologist. And the usual tagline, we have it for every World Sight Day. Eyes are good because they will make you look at the world, the beautiful world of yours and mine. Laugh loudly and cry whenever you need to, because these are two things which will keep your eyes healthy. Having a good sugar control is something you and me needed very well, because that will keep your eyes and eyesight very, very much in control. How does eye get affected in diabetes? There are many ways. You can get more and more of eye infections. You can get a cataract, and you can get retinal detachment or retinopathy. There are many things which happen in eyes. So make sure you control your sugars well. You know what? Diabetes is the number one cause of blindness in the world. And for that reason, you need to reach out to your doctor, especially an eye surgeon or ophthalmologist, before it is too late. When do you need to do it? Once in every 6 months. And here I'm going to give you a small ABCDE. The few procedures you need to do it well in advance on the elective basis if you have a diabetes. A is for angiography whenever your cardiologist or the diabetologist suggests you. B is for bariatric surgery if your BMI is more than 35, or even for that matter sometime more than 30, you need to get a bariatric surgery done. Reach out to your diabetologist. C is for cholecystectomy. You need to go for cholecystectomy if there is a gallstones. Yes, even if they're not hurting you, if you have diabetes, you must get the cholecystectomy done. And finally, you have to remember that D is for dental checkup and E is for eye testing. If you can do these things every 6 months, you will never need to come to hospital for admission. Remember this ABCDE and stay healthy. You can reach out to me at 810-612-7475 for any clarification if you have regarding these things. In this time of 2020, to keep your eyes healthy, remember this, the rule of 2020, especially the IT people, the software guys, you need to listen to this. What is the rule of 2020? I'm not talking about the cricket, I'm talking about for your eyes. Every time you're on the screen, you're looking regularly to the computer, every 20 minutes, take a break of 20 seconds and look far away at object which is 20 meters away from you. So yes, move away from your screen, look at any object 20 meters away from you for 20 seconds. And this is the 2020 rule for you, which will make you healthy, happy and smiling always. Try closing eyes for 30 seconds and see how bad and how scary this world is. You can't even walk for more than 5 meters also. If you care for your eyes, you will reach out to your ophthalmologist or a diabetologist before it is too late. Make sure you have greenery around you. Eat green. And you know what? Make sure that you have a green environment, because yes, that green leafy vegetables are good for your eyes, good for your body, good for your environment. Reach out to me before it is too late. I'm Dr. Ashish Chauhan, available at Apollo Hospitals at 810-612-7475. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The only dictum we work with is, we want to make sure nobody reaches hospital before it is too late or gets admitted in ICU or emergency. Fight for your health before it is too late. Goodbye.